Welcome to another 5-minute product review, opening, unboxing, first impressions. There's a time in a man's life when he needs to get serious and ask his significant other to make the next step. And that is, can we buy a table saw? That's right, we're reviewing the Skil table saw. 10-inch. Let's do the unboxing first.
Even though this saw is new from the factory, you should check and calibrate it if necessary. Once I adjusted to 0 bevel, the 45 was perfect. You should also check the distance between the blade and the guide. In my case, it was already correct.
We've got our new table saw set up. It's stable. I love the legs on it. It's got a carrying handle. It's designed to be set on its side. And so now the next step is actually to try it out. It's getting a little too late in the day here today to do it, but this week I am doing some work at my mom's house, and we're going to put this new table saw to good use. Well, there you have it, unboxing, assembly, and calibration with a little bit of cutting in between. Wish I had more footage of that, but I don't have the luxury of additional cutting up of wood. I just don't have wood to throw away. So the good and the bad, the pros and the cons. Pros, it's Skil, it's a good brand. Pro, it's an inexpensive saw at $349 manufactured retail price. I paid less on sale. It's lightweight, I can carry it anywhere. It fits in my little Prius. It has built-in legs, which is really nice. And then the final thing is it's got a flip-over fence that helps it with these longer cuts, balancing them. So the cons, why it has legs, if you have any longer cuts way off to the side, it is a little off balance, but I'm assuming that's pretty much standard with most portable table saws. And then the other thing which may be deterrent for you is it's a really loud saw. I highly recommend basically having hearing protection. So that's it. I did a lot of research before I bought this. Leave some questions below. I'm happy to answer them to my best of my ability. Leave a like, hit subscribe. We do projects as well as product reviews. We got a lot coming up. Buy some merch. I've got some DIY Explorer merch down below here. Every little bit helps the channel. And thanks for watching.